Hello guys, once again this is PV Tech Power Africa Solar, and today we are in Msenge where we have installed a 4.06 kilowatt solar system. We have 7 panels of 580. So I will go inside and show you the whole system and how it looks like. So right in front of me we have the 5 kilowatt solar inverter, which is used to supply the whole house, and we have the distribution box where we have installed the RCDs for lightning. We have the DC disconnect, we have the AC breakers, and the whole distribution box is here. So mainly we have this to protect the entire system. We also have a bus bar there, and we have installed an automatic changeover. As you can see, we have installed a voltage regulator to ensure that the power coming from the mains is well regulated. So, and then it's within the limits that is required. I will go inside the house and maybe show you some of the appliances that are being supplied from this system. As you can see, we have all these lights working on solar. We have the main living room, the TV, and the kitchen area. All these are being supplied from the system. So I'd like to urge our fellow people in the diaspora and Kenya as a whole, if you want to have such a system, then you are free to contact us through our websites or our phone numbers. We'll be showing them below the screen. Thank you.